Today I'm going to be unboxing the blue G90 Pro in 2021. Let's get to the video. What is up, everybody? It is your boy, Lavon Cason, back at it again with another video. As you can see here, this is my second, smartphone that I bought from Amazon. The first one that I bought from Amazon was the Moto G7 Plus, and I did a review on it about last Wednesday. So now it's time for me to move on to another phone, and I decided to pick the blue G90 Pro, and I'll eventually review an iPhone or Samsung phone eventually. But this phone, has gotten my attention because A, it's a budget gaming phone, and also two, it is $200, and also two as well, I don't really see many people talking about this phone anymore, and because last year this phone was considered the budget gaming phone. As you can see here, this is the phone itself. So let's hope I can take it out. Take this out. There we go. It's all in purple. So as you can see, let's take that out. This is what the phone looks like. All right, so what else is in here? So let's see. USB-C cable, which you use to charge the phone. Headphones, okay. A lot of phones nowadays don't really come with headphones like that. At this point, they just give you the phone pretty much. So this is what you do to, plug this into here. Power adapter. Sticker. Dual SIM card, installer. This is what you use to, remove your SIM card or, put in a new SIM card. And this is pretty much the case, as you can see here. Not a bad case, not bad. And what else is in here? Okay. So, screen protector. Oh, that's nice. That's cool. So, let's turn on the phone. All right. I got something. Blue smartphones. Okay. Now, we're getting somewhere so far. We're getting somewhere. Oh, okay. That's a neat startup. Okay, so start. Skip. I can skip this. Okay, next. This phone is a unlocked phone, by the way, if anyone's wondering. So I'm going to put in my Wi-Fi password and all that stuff. So now I pretty much, typed in my Wi-Fi password and all that other stuff. So as you can see, it is now checking for updates. Now it's pretty much asking me whether or not I want to copy data. Don't copy. Now it's checking info. Yeah, this phone looks pretty good. I'm not going to lie to you guys. This phone looks very good. So let's look at the specs real quick. Full HD Infinity display, MediaTek Hello G90T gaming chipset, octa-core 2 gigahertz processor, 64-bit. It comes with 128 gigabytes of internal memory, and it comes with 4 gigabytes of RAM. And as an advanced quad AI camera with LED flash, 48 megapixel depth sensor, 8 megapixel wide angle, 120 super pixel with 108 megapixel super zoom, 32 megapixel selfie camera, super 5100 milliamp battery with wireless charging. That's neat. Micro SD card up to 128 gigs, Android 10 and 18 watt quick charge. So as you can see, I gotta put in my email and my password and all that stuff. All right, so now I'm gonna click I agree. Let's turn that off. Turn that off. Let's see. Okay, let's accept. Skip this part. All right, so Google Assistant. Next. Skip. No thanks. No, I don't want to do this. All right, so that's pretty much it. As you can see, it doesn't look all that bad. Seems like it's pretty much looks like base Android. It comes with a free game, Candy Crush. Oh, that's neat. So yeah, I'm going to be, testing out, emulators and playing, regular Android games. In fact, I might, do those as separate videos. Then I'm going to do a review of this phone right here. Because why not? I don't really see people talking about the gaming emulation capabilities of this phone, so I may as well be the first one to do that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace. What other smartphones do you guys want me to review after I get done, doing coverage and doing a review of the blue G90 Pro? Like, let me know in the comment section below of this video. Hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and oh God, let me turn that off. Hit that subscribe button. When you hit that notification bell, you gotta hit all notifications so everybody can be notified for future Lavon Cason videos and future Lavon Cason live streams. See you guys later in peace, and I hope you guys have a good day.